Welcome back to another Show and Tell Monday. In today's video, we're going to be looking at this flashlight from NexTorch. This is the C61. Yes, they did send me this flashlight so that I could make a video for you. They did not pay me to say anything. They simply sent me the light so I could make a video for you. The opinions are mine. All the cool features and specs, that's on them. So let's get to the video. I've carried a flashlight most of my adult life, starting out with hunting, fishing, camping, as a kid, and then into my adult life as 26 years as a police officer, working nights, and then also I still hunt, fish, and camp. So in today's video, we're going to talk about all the features in this flashlight. It may be something that you want to carry in your camper, your Jeep, your truck, your RV. We're going to discuss all the features, and you get to decide if this is something that you would like. And before I forget, I need to tell you, this light is normally $99, so it's a $100 bill. Right now, it's on sale for $69 and some change, so it's 30% off right now. How long that sale is going to last, I have no idea, but I was surprised when I pulled it up this morning and seen for $69. I think you're going to love what this light has. One of the things that I learned as a young police officer working in patrol was the brightest flashlight is not always the best. However, this one does pack a punch. It's got 3,500 lumens, and the thing that makes it so awesome is you don't have to go through 5 different steps or 3 different steps to get up to that high mode. They've actually built in a sliding scale in the power button, so I'm going to turn it on. Can you kind of see the light? And this thing is bright. If you hold that button down, you can see it's getting brighter and brighter, and then if you hold the button down again, it's going to start going through the dim phase, and you can get this thing as smallly lit, almost like moonlight, as you need. That to me is priceless, and it's got a really good memory to it. So watch, I'll turn it off and it comes back on right where I left it last time. On the low mode, it will run almost 85 hours. It's also got another little feature, which is basically a surround light, and this will last almost 500 hours. So it's got a huge battery. Upon first inspection, when I pulled this thing out of the box, the one thing I can tell you is it's just like all the other NexTorch flashlights. This thing is built really, really tough. It is got a really smooth bezel along the front, so if you could picture yourself putting this on your belt, if you were a police officer, you don't have to worry about this cutting the back of your uniform shirt like a lot of lights have done over the years. And it's still small enough, it's handy enough, and it packs a punch, if you know what I'm saying. And you guys that are still in patrol, you know exactly what I'm saying. One other cool feature that I really like about it right off the bat, this thing's got this magnetic base, and I'm telling you, it really works well, and it'll hold that flashlight. So if you ever find yourself in a spot needing 3 hands and there's a piece of metal near you, this magnetic base really does a good job of holding the light secure for you. Part of the first impressions, one of the things that I really thought was pretty cool is it does come with a little lanyard. This could come in really handy, especially if you're maybe using it in your kayak or your fishing boat or something like that. It's got a quick connect, so you could put it to your life jacket or your belt or any other place on you, and you don't have to worry about losing your light. On this lanyard that's got this coil on it, it's also got a quick connect on here so that you could take it off of the lanyard if you found yourself in a spot where you needed something a little bit longer, but then put it back on. Maybe you're working somewhere up high and you don't want to drop your light. This might come in really handy. And then it's also got the cord so that you can recharge it. It is a USB-C rechargeable flashlight. And then it's also got this little finger deal that you can mount on the light. The screws are actually in the light right here. Already comes with them. And you can put this on, and then you've got a little more secure way to hang on to the light. Me personally, I don't know that I would use that because that would be added bulk. Now, one thing I do want to say and kind of explain how this beam works is this is made out of 9 core LEDs. So instead of relying on a giant LED, this C61 uses a 9 core LED array. That gives you a focus center hotspot while still providing plenty of spill light when you're out there in the field. So you're still going to be able to see what's around your feet, but you could also, with that 3500 lumen beam that it throws out there, you could use this if you, as a rancher, maybe you're trying to find spot baby calves that are calving in the middle of the night. Maybe you're trying to look for somebody, if you're a first responder and you're trying to clear out fence rows, maybe on a search and rescue deal. We're still in storm season here, and we've had a bunch of storms recently where everybody's lost electricity because of the storms. Being able to adjust the intensity of the light plus the way this thing spills light, and you still got a good beam that you can focus kind of all in one, really makes it cool. I mentioned this at the very beginning of this video just because I know a lot of people are going to want to know right off the bat how bright it is, but I think one of the coolest features on this is this stepless brightness, and then also you've got the stepless dimming, and that to me is so much better than having to press the button 10 times to go through high, medium, low, and moonlight and all that other nonsense. And then, like I mentioned in the beginning, it's got the memory, so if you leave it on low, which is what I would typically do, I don't need a hot spotlight all the time, but a flashlight that you can kind of light up the dark and make sure you're not stepping on a snake as you're going to get more campfire wood. This is pretty awesome because it does remember where you was at last time, and again, you don't have to fiddle with going through 5 different button modes. That is really well thought out in my opinion, and something that really will help, especially for you guys, is if you're a young police officer and you've ever been sitting in lineup and all of a sudden it feels like the back of your shirt's fixing to catch on fire because one of the older guys pushed your button on your flashlight and it's been lighting you up the whole time while you're sitting in lineup. Leave that thing on low, because they'll probably, unless they've got this same light, they're not going to know that it's not on high, and it ain't going to be burning a hole in your shirt. And then one of my other favorite things about this is that 360-degree light. This is going to come in so handy, especially if you use the lanyard. You could use the lanyard, set this up above your camp cooking area, have this on. It's not going to be blinding you, but you're going to be able to see what you're cooking, what you're dicing up. Maybe you're dicing up some onions and making some deer steaks and French fries at deer camp. This is going to be an awesome camp light for especially if you do the outdoor cooking like I do. And for a lot of you camper owners, if you don't know, be careful what you're cooking in your camper, because if you're introducing a bunch of moisture into your camper, you may be creating moisture problems that you hadn't thought about. We'll do a whole nother video about that, but for outside cooking, this thing's going to be awesome. As we continue going from the front to the back, I do briefly want to mention again, I absolutely love this magnetic end cap that they do have on this light. I think that's pretty awesome, because that opens up the doors on where you could hang this thing, especially when you're talking about camp. Maybe stick it on the side of your Jeep, stick it on the side of your truck. There's a whole lot of places where this will come in real handy, and you can still use that 360-degree floodlight as opposed to the flashlight for making it so much easier, especially if you're working on a project outside, whether it be cooking, maybe doing a repair, something like that. Maybe you're just hooking up your trailer to your e-bike right before you get ready to go on your next hunt. This would make it a lot easier having that 360-degree light to get everything hooked up, make sure that you got everything tied down on your trailer, that type of stuff. This is going to be a really, really great hunting light. It's going to find its way in my backpack. This thing is actually built for the real world. It's built for the real life. It's built for hunters, fishers, camper, first responders. It's IP67, so that means that you don't have to worry about rain, dust, wind, all the elements. Dropping the thing, I don't think you're ever going to have a problem. This thing is bulletproof. I think it's really, really well designed. It does have some grip built into the handle, so whether you've got gloves on or you're using it with your bare hand, you can feel it. It's real easy to feel the buttons because you got a flat spot right here, so even in the dark, you know, hey, here's the flat spot, my buttons are right here. The little 360-degree is a little bit taller button than your main light button, and it's just right behind it, and you can feel it real easy. It's also, if you see that little blue light right there on the front, on top of the buttons, it tells you basically how much charge you got left as well, and that's built in. Now you might be asking yourself, how do you charge it? Well, that's a great question. It's got a dust cover cap, which is IP67 rated, and you just pull it out. You can use this with any standard, almost everybody's gone to USB-C type charging cords. This comes with one, so it's real simple to keep it charged up. That was one of the things that I hated when I was in patrol, especially as a young officer. If you got to work and your flashlight was dead, you was pretty much screwed, especially if you worked nights, because all of them had a big cradle that you had to drop your light in, and you had to have 110 to plug it in. Streamlight finally came around with one that you could actually plug into a cigarette lighter. If your car, and especially as a new guy, you got the old junkiest car there was, that good chance that cigarette lighter plug didn't work, and it hadn't worked for 10 years anyways. This is pretty awesome, especially with all the first responders in mind, that you can recharge this thing with the USB-C, a power pack, whatever you want to carry in your little go bag or your box that you're carrying as a first responder. You can keep this thing charged up, topped off, and it's still got that really long, like I said, 85 hours on low, and what was it, 800 hours on this 360-degree beam. That's impressive amount of time. Since I haven't mentioned it, it's got a 21,700 milliamp lithium battery that's built into this thing. You can replace it. The bottom cap you can unscrew and take it off, but I would speculate with all other lithium batteries that are being made today, the technology's there that this thing's going to last a long time. And even for you first responders that were using the stream lights and the lights that we had available to us, every now and again, every 3 to 5 years, you had to go buy new batteries for them anyways. Same deal with this, except for I would picture it's going to last much longer than 3 years, and it's going to be much brighter than anything we had available when I was especially a young officer. I had black hair and a black mustache. That's been a while. So, who do I think this flashlight is for? I don't think it's just for you guys that hunt and fish and camp. I think this could be for anybody. First responders, I think it would be great. I think it would be great if you as a mechanic. This, especially if you as a diesel mechanic, where you can still get your hands into small places or big places. It's not like these cars where you can barely get your finger in there. But diesel mechanics should be able to use this all around, especially with that magnetic grip. Think about being a diesel mechanic for a minute, how awesome that would be. Maybe you're an RV technician. This thing, you can lay it down, you can stick it to something, and it'll be your third hand for you. Think about working on your camper, like the hot water heater, maybe the access door. It's made out of metal, so you could stick it to that door, and now you've got both hands free, so you could be working on your RV. Any kind of repairs like that, I think it would be really awesome. It's got an excellent beam pattern. It's extremely bright. That 360-degree flood really is a game changer in my mind. The magnetic base, USB charging, long runtime, stepless dimming, and the memory recall, not to mention what an excellent build it is. This thing is really up there. Now, along with every video, you've always got somebody that's going to want to throw out a con. I've been messing with this thing for almost a month, and I'll tell you, that's another thing that's really impressive about this company, is they're not ding-donging me, asking me where their video is. They sent this to me, and I've had it. I've been playing with it for a month. I've used it all over our place here. I've taken it with me everywhere, including work and back, and it has really come in handy. But if you is going to change something on this, and I know a lot of people are making different colors, comment down below what color, aside from black, because that's the color that they're making, what color would you like to see them make this in? Because I think that might make it a little funner too, especially if you had the red, white, and blue colors, maybe the bright orange. I love the bright orange colors because I'm always dropping stuff or losing it. That bright orange comes in real handy if it rolls underneath the seat of the Jeep or somewhere. And with that magnetic base, if it latches onto something, it might take you a while to find it. Is that a con? Is that something that needs improvement? Absolutely not, but I do think it's kind of fun, especially if you guys want to comment. Throw it out there. They've been making flashlights for first responders for a long time. What do you think a fun color would be, especially if you are a first responder? What color would you pick? So as we wrap this video up, I do want to say this. This isn't just another bright flashlight that you can throw in your Jeep. However, I think it's a multi-purpose light, especially with the stepless dimming, the 360-degree moonlight. But I would love to hear from you. What do you think you would use this light for? What would be the purpose that you would use it for? Comment down below and let us know. My final thoughts are this. It's a pretty awesome light, and it's not just made for first responders. I think this thing is going to be used for a lot of people. If you've been thinking about getting a light, like I mentioned at the very beginning of the video, they've got it on sale for $69.99 instead of $99.99. It's their normal price. I do believe they've given me a discount code, and if I'm not mistaken, it's HMO15. I'll drop that down there so you guys can have it. It's not an affiliate link. The link will go straight to their website. The only way they would even know that you've watched our video is if you use that discount code. Now, will it work on something that's already 30% off? I don't know, but it'd be worth trying. Again, guys, we appreciate each and every one of you. If you've made it this far, I do want to say thank you. I know it's been a couple of weeks since we've been able to upload a video. We do have a lot more videos coming. If you like these type of reviews, stick around. Love to talk you into joining our family. We're on our way to 12,000 subscribers, and with your help, we can make that in no time at all. And until next time, stay safe out there. Always continue to learn. Do the best we can to learn even more about everything. And I hope you all can get outside and make something happen.